You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
UPC, on a sad note, sends heartfelt condolences to the Kabaka of the Kingdom of Uganda and the Ndiga clan for the brutal murder of its head engineer Daniel Bbosa by motorbike assassins on Sunday, 25th February 2024. UPC shares the sad moments and at the same time applauds the timely intervention and vigilance of the Lunguja residents who daringly took on the assailants. However, once assailants are apprehended, let us protect the evidence that is vital in the prosecution of a case of this magnitude. We need to go down the root causes of such type of crimes. And this is not the only time we are registering such cases of that magnitude. We have lost prominent figures in this country by assailants, and in most cases they are motorbikes. However, this is the first time such criminals are apprehended by the residents. We have not registered it before for such an act to happen, and they are apprehended immediately. So for us as UPC, when we are emphasizing that once they are apprehended or they are held in our hands, let us try as much as possible to protect that kind of evidence, because that evidence that we can know who was behind this or that.